Is he going to be able to fight back into turn one? He's late on the brakes, but there's not enough room. Crutchlow's really...
That gravel, but that's what was the biggest scare for Marquez. Dovizioso. Oh, that was tight.
That was so close.
Well, that's just desperation because he can see...
Breaking down into dry set corner. Dovi got it done on the inside, but he drifts wide.
For Marquez. Dovizioso. Oh, that was tight.
That was so close.
Oh, that was tight. That was so close.
See Lorenzo coming back into the corner. Dovizioso made the move. Here's Pedrosa. Pedrosa's body position. What a monster high.
Do you know what?
But Danny Pedrosa.
No one saw each other. What an absolute disaster.
Danny Pedrosa. There's going to be yellow flags. Yeah, Pedrosa's bike has been moved. Great work as always.